Finally, an electronics manufacturing services partner you can trust. Are you tired of dealing with unreliable vendors who can't keep up with your project demands? Worried about compromising quality for cost savings? If you're looking for a true partner in electronics manufacturing services, your search ends here. Introducing Elecaas, your premier Dubai-based solution. From concept to completion, we've got you covered with our comprehensive range of services, tailored for industries such as consumer electronics, automotive, industrial electronics, networking and communication, medical, defense and military, and aerospace. What makes Elecaas different? Our obsession with innovation, efficiency, and reliability. We're not just an assembly line, we're problem solvers committed to pushing boundaries. With cutting-edge PCB design and engineering capabilities, we ensure your products are optimized for performance from the ground up. Then, our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and stringent quality controls take over. Turnkey PCB assembly services? Check. Functional and pre-compliance testing? Double check. We'll even source all the components for you, saving you time and headaches. But we don't stop there. Elecaas provides true end-to-end solutions with repair and rework services, obsolescence management, embedded software design, 3D printed mechanical parts, and more. Whether you're in company management, procurement, engineering, or a technical expert, Elecaas has you covered with tailored solutions to achieve your goals efficiently and cost-effectively. Join industry leaders who trust Elecaas to turn their visions into reality. With a relentless focus on quality and innovation, we're raising the bar for electronics manufacturing every day. Take the first step towards a manufacturing partner you can finally feel confident about. Contact us today for a free consultation, and let's get started on your next project. This is Elecaas, empowering innovation for a better tomorrow.